We're going to look at the A section of Minuet 1. That's the first two lines with the repeat sign. So we already did this bowing on the scale. Our bow distribution is very important, how much bow we use on each note. So in the first measure, whenever you have this down, up, up, you're going to do whole, half, half. So practice just the first measure. And make sure you get all the way back to the window, the string between your pointer finger and your middle finger. So when I say the frog, I mean all the way with the string in the window. So one more time, first measure. In this piece, when you have a third finger that's followed by a high 2, you can plop your fingers, but every other third finger you're going to do an independent 3. So the next measure is third finger by itself. So the main things we work on in Minuet 1 are make sure you play the right high and low 2s for G major, but also do the bow distribution, whole, half, half, and do independent fingers for 3s that are not followed by a high 2. So if you have a high 2 right after your 3, you can plop all of your fingers. All of the other ones are independent fingers. We can also call them walking fingers because the new finger goes down before the old one comes up. Just like when you're walking, the new foot comes down before the old foot comes up. Otherwise it would be hopping, right? So here's our first line of the A section, whole, half, half. This was an independent third finger, now whole, half, half. Now here, measure 5 and 6 are going to be a special practice spot. Start up bow on the A. This is whole on the quarter note. All of the eighth notes get half a bow. We do a walking finger from the G to the E. Whole bow on the quarter. Half, half. And then a light little lift right before the G. So there's a lot of things going on in those two lines. Let's do measures 5 and 6 again. We're going to do whole on the quarters, half on the eighths. So whole, half. Put your fourth finger down before the third finger comes up. Let's do that 3 more times. At home you can do this 10 times. Okay, ready? Whole bow, half. 4 goes down, 3 comes up. That's 1. Let's do 2 more. Ready? Whole bow. 4 down, 3 comes up. So be really careful when you go from the G to the E that you don't hop your fingers. 3 stays down until 4 goes down. Okay, one more from measure 5. Now I'll play this whole A section for you with the repeat so you can see.